I'm your friend, Aya.
Don't forget to download the Your Friend Aya app for safe and fun learning.
Hello, my friends. Today, we are going to make a delicious pizza. Are you ready? Pizza, pizza, so yummy to eat. Today, we will make a delicious treat. Pizza, pizza, so yummy to eat. Today, we will make a delicious treat. First, let's wash our hands so clean with soap and water, the best you've seen. Say Bismillah, let's begin. Flour and water, go right in. Mix it, round and round. The softest dough that can be found. Hold it in our hands so small and roll it up into a ball. Great job, Aya! You are doing amazing! Press the ball and pat it down. With little hands we make it round. A giant circle, look and see. Ready for the red sauce. Yippee! Spread the red sauce, yum, yum, yum. Sprinkle yellow cheese for everyone. Now it's time for the veggies too. Let's make a rainbow, me and you. Red tomatoes, nice and round. Crunchy green peppers, the best we've found. Black olives, oh, what a sight. Healthy veggies make us strong and bright. Pizza, pizza, so yummy to eat. Today we will make a delicious treat. Into the oven it goes to bake. Tick tock, how long will it take? Ding! The pizza is ready. It smells so great. Cut into triangles, 1, 2, 3.